As appliances get smarter, they also make everyday life a little easier. And a fully automatic washing machine is one of the best examples of that. Unlike a semi-automatic machine, it takes care of the entire washing process on its own, saving both time and effort. Of course, you have to pay a premium for that convenience, but you also get better features and a much smoother experience overall. So with Digit India's top appliance awards coming soon, and to make your decision a little easier, we have shortlisted 5 of the best fully automatic washing machines you can buy in India for under rupees 20,000. Whether your priority is better cleaning, gentle fabric care, lower power consumption, or long-term reliability, there's something here for everyone. But before I jump into it, if you're new here, I'm Siddharth Malhotra and you're watching Digit, where we bring you detailed, no-nonsense gadget reviews and comparisons. Now let's start with the Bosch. Bosch has built this machine around cleaning performance. It comes with an 8 kg capacity, making it suitable for most families, and uses a specially designed pulsator along with a unique drum pattern to remove tough stains while still being gentle on your clothes. The idea here is simple. Better movement inside, the drum means a deeper wash without causing unnecessary fabric damage. You also get 10 wash programs, including dedicated options for delicate clothes and even a tub clean mode to keep the washing machine fresh over time. Bosch has also added dual lint filter that trap hair, fluff and loose threads before they settle back onto your clothes. A handy 24-hour delay timer lets you schedule your wash around your routine, and with a 5-star energy rating, a 2-year comprehensive warranty and a 10-year motor warranty, Bosch delivers a very complete package. Next is the Godrej washing machine. This machine immediately stands out because it's the only front load washing machine on this list. And that's important because front load washing machines are generally known for better stain removal, lower water consumption, and being gentle on fabrics. It comes with a 6 kg capacity, but where it really shines, it's its 1000 RPM spin speed, the highest among all 5 machines here. That means your clothes retain less water after washing and dry much faster. Godrej also includes an inbuilt heater that can heat water up to 90 degrees Celsius, making it useful for removing stubborn stains, improving hygiene, and giving heavily soiled clothes a much deeper clean. Add to that 14 wash programs, including steam wash, eco wash, and dedicated fabric modes, and this becomes one of the strongest cleaning focused machine in this price range. Now let's talk about the LG washing machine. LG has taken a slightly different approach by focusing on efficiency and consistency. It comes with an 8 kg capacity and a smart inverter motor that automatically adjusts power depending on the laundry load, helping reduce electricity consumption while also keeping vibration and noise under control. Its standout feature is turbo drum technology, where both the drum and pulsator rotate in opposite directions to create stronger water flow and improve stain removal. Along with that, you get a stainless steel drum, around 10 wash programs, and smart diagnosis, which helps identify basic issues directly through your smartphone. With a slightly faster 740 RPM spin speed than most top load machines here and a 5-star energy rating, LG strikes a nice balance between performance and efficiency. The fourth pick is the Samsung washing machine. Samsung's biggest focus here is durability. It features an 8 kg capacity along with a digital inverter motor that's designed to consume less power while delivering quieter operation over the long run. Another useful feature is Eco Bubble technology, which mixes detergent with air and water before the wash begins. This helps detergent spread more evenly through fabrics, especially during cold water washes, resulting in better cleaning without increasing power consumption. Samsung also uses its diamond drum design to minimize wear on clothes, but the real highlight is the warranty. You get an impressive 20-year warranty on the motor, which is easily the longest among all the washing machines on this list. Finally, there's the IFB washing machine. IFB packs in quite a few smart features without pushing the price beyond the 20,000 rupees mark. It offers an 8 kg capacity, an eco inverter motor, and a 720 RPM spin speed for efficient everyday washing. Its AI-powered sensors automatically detect the fabric type and laundry load before adjusting the wash settings accordingly, taking a lot of the guesswork out of doing laundry. Another useful addition is Aqua Energy technology, which helps detergent performs better even if your home has hard water. You also get multiple wash programs, a stainless steel drum that's designed to reduce fabric wear, and even built-in wheels, making it much easier to move the machine whenever needed. IFB also backs it with a 4-year comprehensive warranty, which is one of the best on this list, along with a 10-year motor warranty and 10 years of spare parts support. So which one should you buy? If cleaning performance is your biggest priority, the Godrej front load washing machine is hard to ignore. If you want the best overall top load experience, Bosch makes a very strong case. LG is ideal if you want an efficient, well-balanced machine that handles everyday laundry with ease. If long-term reliability matters the most, Samsung's 20-year motor warranty is difficult to beat. And if you're looking for a smart features along with one of the best warranty packages, IFB is definitely worth considering. At the end of the day, every washing machine on this list carries a 5-star energy rating and comes from brands with established service networks. The right choice simply depends on whether you value deeper cleaning, smarter features, faster drying, or long-term peace of mind. And those were our top picks for the best fully automatic washing machines under 20,000 rupees. But if you want to know which one among these is the absolute best, stay tuned for Digit India's Top Appliance Awards coming soon, where we are answering a question that matters to every Indian household: which appliances actually deserve a place in your home. Over 35 appliances will be awarded across 10 product categories, and only the very best appliances win Digit India's Top Appliance Awards. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.